Hi, it's Karen from Simply Said with Karen, and today I'd like to show you some embossing tools that we have. First of all, I get a question when I have this laying out. What is this and what do you use it for? This is called an embossing buddy, and I'd like to show you what happens when you use it and when you don't use it. So first of all, I'm going to take, for embossing we usually use a Versamark, and I have my embossing powder here. So take your Versamark and we're just going to ink up a stamp, and we're just going to stamp it on some black and then emboss it, and I'll show you what happens when you don't use the embossing buddy. So just stamp it on there. I'll take my embossing powder and just sprinkle it on. Get good coverage. Get what you can off. And you can already see what's happened because I haven't used the embossing buddy. What I have is little white specks around. So now when I go to heat the embossing powder and melt it, so I melted the embossing powder, and now you can see the effect of the not using the embossing buddy. What I have left here is specks of white embossing powder that will now be there permanently on a piece of black cardstock. So in order to get rid of this, and these are caused by static cling, so we have the embossing buddy, which is filled with a powder, and I'm sorry, but I'm not sure what exactly this powder is. But what you do is you take your piece of cardstock and you just wipe it down with the embossing buddy. Again, take your stamp and your Versamark, and stamp your image. Sprinkle your embossing powder on it, and again, make sure you have good coverage. So you can already see that I'm left with no speckles around the image. So when I heat emboss it and melt that powder, it'll come out clean. So there you have it. Here's the image now embossed, and there's no little sprinkles around the side. And here is the one where I didn't use the embossing powder, or embossing buddy. So it really helps to use this tool when you're embossing. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.